Only 4 ingredients. Mandarin Milk Jelly made in a tall glass. Sweet Mikan Milk Agar Jelly. Only 4 ingredients makes 3 glasses. Peel 6 Mikans Japanese mandarins. In a heatproof bowl, combine 100 ml of milk and 8 g of powdered agar, and mix well. Microwave at 500 W for 3 minutes. Add 60 g of sugar and stir thoroughly. In a separate heatproof bowl, add 200 ml of milk and microwave at 500 W for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pour the mixture from step into the bowl from step and mix well. Place skewered fruits into glasses, then pour in the milk agar mixture. Refrigerate for about 3 hours until set. Slice to reveal the colorful cross-section of the fruits and serve on a plate.
Fruit Japan, please subscribe to my channel.